Tonight I'm making a summer barbecue without the barbecue. Okay, so with the leftover basil I had from the pesto I made the other night, I thought I'll make the summer corn salad. It's by my friend Melissa. It's so good and so easy, and I make it all summer when we're barbecuing with like burgers, steak. Okay, so I got 4 ears of corn here that I'm just gonna shuck. I'm sure you all know how to do this, that you just pull all the green and the hairy stuff off. Good. All right, so corn, I'm just have it on like medium-high heat, and just cooking it and rolling it till all the sides are like black or nicely browned, you know, charred. Meanwhile, while the corn is cooking, I'm gonna chop the rest of my ingredients, which are cherry tomatoes, avocado, red onion, lots of basil, feta cheese, and then the secret to Melissa's salads that she just tosses it all with Girard's champagne vinaigrette. And if you can't find Girard's, use any champagne vinaigrette, obviously. And I find no difference between the light and the regular, so. Also, cheese is optional, and I would say if you're making a different side dish with your barbecue that has cheese in it, like if you also have like a mac and cheese going or something else, then don't do cheese in this corn salad. But since it's our whole ball game with our meat, I love to have cheese, obviously. Okay, so now I just toss these together and I'm gonna put it in the fridge until I'm ready to go. The corn is done and it will get cut into its own bowl and tossed at the very end with the dressing. So the hot corn, just cut right off the cob into a bowl and save it till the very end so it stays crunchy. I won't mix it in until we're ready to eat. Okay, so like I said, the corn salad goes great with anything barbecued. Burgers, chicken, whatever. We're doing a ribeye because we have it in our meat club. Okay, so we're ready to eat. So we're just gonna add all that hot corn into our bowl from the fridge. Turn it off. And then we're just gonna toss it with a little bit of the Girard champagne vinaigrette. And I'm gonna do a little bit of this really yummy salt and some fresh ground pepper, and we're good. Okay, Scooty, so you've had the corn salad like a million times all summer. Tell them.
That's very good.
Right?
The steak is a great addition.
Yeah, the steak's really good.
Yeah.
Thanks, Pryor Ranch.